Hello everyone, welcome back. My order from FFX Tools arrived today. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unpackaging. So I'll get this my brand new San Renmu into the picture here. And we'll see if we can very carefully open it up without cutting myself or whatever's inside it. I know what's inside it. Let's have a look here. Good grief. Okay, that'll do it. Let's have a look what I've got here first. Okay, there's a bit of paper in there. Where's the tool? I can feel it in there. Where is it? Let's get rid of this first. Let's have a look. Hang on guys. Get rid of the bag, get rid of that. There we are. Look at that guys. My brand new set of Knipex 8701125. My teeny tiny little water pump pliers. Check them out guys, how small are they, look. Let's see if we can't get it off of the packaging somehow, shall we? Got a bit of heat shrink on the end here holding it in place by the looks of it, so we'll bring the knife back in again, see if we can get it off carefully. Blimey, there's some strong stuff. Damaging the handle on the pliers. Come on. Hopefully we can. Okay, so after a bit of very careful fiddling around, I've managed to get the heat shrink off the handle here without damaging the handles at all. And there we go. There's the packaging. Just tells you a little bit of information about it. So that can go over there somewhere. Let's close that up. That can go in the bin. Nearly. And here we are. Little teeny tiny Knipex water pump pliers, guys. Just look how small they are, look. Roughly about 125 millimeters long approximately. Wicked. I will be doing a proper review on these at some point in the future. So look, press that button in there. How do they, oh there we go. And they've been nicely oiled as well, look. Oh, they're nice, I like those. Very nice indeed. So I purchased them from FFX Tools. FFX Tools. I'll put you a link in the descriptive text below along with the product page, and you can go and take a look at them, guys. But these are quite nice actually. I can't wait to review these little fellows. They're almost the same size as those teeny tiny little vice grips I've got. You may well have seen my review of these little fellows when I first got them. They're just a small look at that. Teeny tiny little mole grips and teeny tiny little water pump pliers. I have actually got some larger water pump pliers kicking about too, but as I say, we'll be looking at these in more detail in a future review, guys. But these are quite nice. I like the way you push the little button in to adjust the jaws. Wow, they are small. Look at that. Brilliant, love them. Alright then guys, hope you enjoy this little unpackaging here today. My little Knipex. Very nice, I like those. I'm going to go and sit in front of the television to watch some YouTube videos, and I'll have a fiddle with them at the same time. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Google+, there's also my Patreon page too. Thanks for popping over guys, thanks for taking a look at these. I will have a proper review in the very near future of them, and I will catch you back here at Rathbone Manor in the very near future then. Laters!
Oh,